de la Esperanza, and ladies and gentlemen, we are in luck. We can talk to the architect and designer of this development, Saldi Cruz. Saldi, what can you say about your development here? Is there anything that you can tell our future buyers about your?
Yes, because here in Pangasinan, everyone dreams of having a small unit as a rest house or a vacation house.
Okay.
Since the location of this area, this is the best vacation house you can put in the near future, because only 1 hour and a half you're in Baguio.
Wow, 1 hour and a half only, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
1 hour you're in La Union.
Wow.
Great beach.
Wow.
And a few minutes drive to the malls. We have SM Rosales. We have CSI Lucao.
Wow.
Best malls here in Pangasinan.
Well, yeah.
Also, if you're a religious or a Catholic, you can visit Manaoag in just 6 minutes.
Wow, 6 minutes only, huh?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Of this road.
And
our future development here in the area, we can have a Jollibee or a McDonald's.
Wow.
We can have a gazebo with capacity of 160 persons.
Wow.
For all occasions.
It will be located right here, where you're pointing out. Okay.
And we will have a swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Oh.
About 200 square meters, including the kiddie wading pool.
Yep.
Also, we can have a fitness gym, a spa, beauty salon.
Wow.
And internet cafe.
Very good.
For those who love gadgets.
Okay. How many homes did you plan to build in here?
We intend to put at least 20 duplex units.
20 duplex units. That's good.
Studio type.
Good.
Units. So everyone can have their own privacy.
Very good. Thank you very much, Saldi. And then why don't we go this way? We go to this side and try to talk to one of the brains behind the development. In fact, this area has been planned and sketched for Roman Serofica, and we are fortunate and privileged and honored to have him here to be interviewed. Hey, Romy.
Yeah.
What can you say about this development? I've heard from your chief architect, Saldi. How about you? What can you add to what he just said?
Well, it will be a beautiful place to live in. With all the complete amenities. Once the development is completed, lucky lot owners will surely enjoy the place.
Very good. I can see that.
The safest in town. So, catch up. First come, first serve.
Well, very good. Very good, Romy. Thanks a lot. And why don't we talk to one of the future